Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Luandile here, the leader of Manikwe School. And today we're going to be doing exercise 1.4 from student C's perspective. So without any further words, let's get on to it. If we look at the exercise itself, actually we are required to write a program that displays the following table. Okay, so let's create a class. Call it exercise _1_4C, and then we add the main method. So let's see, what is it student D wanna do? Okay, student C wanna do. Okay, student C finds a way to get rid of many multiplication signs. Multiplication. Okay, here's a question. Suppose we wanted to write a table that will display a to the exponent of 100, a to the exponent of 1000, and a to the exponent of 10,000. Basically, this is what I'm talking about. Suppose we wanted to write this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, then a to the exponent of 1, 2, 3, and then also a to the exponent of 10, 1, 2, 3, yeah. My question is, does that mean we're gonna have to have system.out.println My question is, does that mean inside this, let me comment this out first. Does that mean inside this we're gonna have, if suppose our A is 1 or is 2, does that mean we're gonna have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 100 times? Of course the answer is no. So student C has found a way of dealing with these bunch of multiplication signs. Okay, so let's do it now. Let's do what we came here for. Okay, firstly we just go a to the exponent of 1 100, or let's just go 1, and then we go \t a to the exponent of let's just go a to the exponent of 1, then we go \t, then we go a to the exponent of, say, 6, for instance. We go \t, and then a to the exponent of 7, for instance. So what you're gonna have to come up with is the following. You're gonna go one, and then concatenate that with backslash t, there is tab, and then you go. There's this math class that is actually responsible for dealing with exponents. It is called math.pow. You put two values there, a value for a, which is the base. In our case, our base is what? Is 1. To the exponent of 6. Again, we then have to concatenate that with backslash t. And lastly, we go math.pow. Our value for a is 1, and our value, which is our base, and our value for c is 7, which is our exponent. We do one and the same thing for other values of a. 1, 2, 3. Note, this has nothing to do with the problem we were given. Here the point is, I'm trying to show you guys how you basically deal with exponents. So right here I'm picking numbers at random, so you don't want to care much about the solution itself. What you want to care much about is the procedure. So let's put 5 here. Can you imagine how tedious it would have been if we had to keep writing multiplication signs? Okay, let's look at our output. This is what we have. However, though, as you guys can see, we've got our answers, and our answers also have a number after a decimal point. There's a way we can overcome this. A simple, straightforward way is to actually cast our answers, because you see this math.pow actually returns a value that is a double. It gives a number that is a double. So if you want to get an integer out of that, you're going to have to cast your answer. This is how you accomplish that. You simply put int in front of whatever you want to cast. So if you're not, by casting, I mean you want to convert from one data type to another. In this case, we want to convert from a double data type, which of course we're going to talk about later. We want to convert from a double data type to an integer data type. So now that we have casted our answer, let's look at our solution. Boom, we got it. You see, our answer is properly aligned, properly displayed, and we have no decimal points. Cheers, you guys. See you in the next tutorial.